Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about sound. Our ears can hear different kinds of sounds around us. What is sound? Sound is produced by vibrations such as the strings of the guitar being plucked here. There are many ways to produce sound such as blowing. When we blow a flute, the air inside the flute will vibrate and will produce sound. Knocking. Xylophone bars will vibrate and produce sound when we knock it. Clapping. Plucking. Bowing. And shaking. You can try touch your throat while you speak. Your fingers will feel the vibration on your throat because our vocal cords also vibrate to produce the sound of our voice. You can try this activity at home. Place a metal hanger close to one of your ear, tap it with a spoon, then observe what happens. You can also try to make your own tin can telephone by using tin cans and string or thread, but make sure the string is straight and tight so the string can vibrate. The vibration from your voice will vibrate the tin can. Then the vibration from the can will travel through the string to your friend's can and ear, so your friend can hear your voice. So please remember that sound is produced by vibrations. Now we are going to learn the two properties of sound. Property of sound number 1 is sound travels in all directions. Property of sound number 2 is sound can be reflected. Now let's see the property of sound number 1, that is sound travels in all directions. This allows us to hear sound from all directions. As an example, the sound of the whistle blown by the referee. The sound of the whistle can be heard by all players even though they are standing at different positions. Now let's learn about the property of sound number 2, that is sound can be reflected when it hits a hard surface. As an example, if you scream inside of an empty room, your voice will be reflected by the wall back to you. So this can make you hear your voice again. These are the natural phenomena of the reflections of sound. Number 1 is echo. An echo happens when a sound is reflected on a hard surface, such as at a mountainside. Echo also can happen when you scream inside an empty room or hall, or inside a cave. Ultrasound is another application of sound reflections. Doctors use ultrasonic machines to scan or detect fetus inside the womb or organs in the body. Besides echoes and ultrasound, ultrasonic is another natural phenomena of sound reflections. Ultrasonic is a type of sound that cannot be heard by humans, but whales, dolphins, and bats can hear it and use it to navigate and detect the location of their prey. As an example, a bat produces ultrasonic waves that will be reflected by an insect, so the bat can detect the insect's location. Another application of reflection of sound is sonar. Sonar uses a technology that reflects ultrasonic sound to detect objects in the water. Some fishermen use sonar to detect fish in the sea. You have to remember the properties of sound and its natural phenomena and applications. Now we are going to learn about the useful sound such as the emergency alert, like the siren of an ambulance, or the sound of an emergency bell. The sound of the emergency bell will tell us that the building is on fire, so we can leave the building to save ourselves. And the sound of our voice can give us the ability to communicate. Besides that, sound can give us notifications. such as the ringing tone from a phone that notifies us of an incoming call. Information also can be announced by a speaker or television news.
This is BBC World News. I'm James Menendez. Our top stories.
Sound also can entertain us through music. Now we are going to learn about the harmful sounds. These sounds can cause sound pollutions. It can also disturb communications and can cause emotional distress. It can also damage our ears if our ears are exposed to sound louder than 85 decibel. Decibel is the standard unit to measure sound. Wearing headphones or earphones frequently with loud sound can also damage ears. How to reduce sound pollution or noise? We can use ear protections like airport workers since they are exposed to the loud noise from the aircraft engines. We can also use earplugs to protect our ear from loud noise, such as when we are in a concert or F1 races. We can also use sound absorbers such as curtains and windows, carpets and also trees. These sound absorbers can reduce sound vibrations. Please remember everything that we have learned about sound. You can copy these notes in your exercise book. You also have to remember the useful sounds, the harmful sounds, and how to reduce sound pollution or noise. Thank you.